Something that has saved me thousands of dollars over the years is shopping at op shops as opposed to normal retail stores. Now there are a couple of reasons why I do this, but one of them is it is generally cheaper. However, when you are shopping at op shops, there are a few things that will give you a little bit more success, and just a few tips I thought I could pass on. So I recently needed to buy some new clothes because it was coming into summer and I had gained a little bit of weight. So my previous summer clothes were not fitting. So I pretty much had to get almost an entire new wardrobe. So I thought that was a good opportunity to show you how I do this kind of thing. Generally, I will visit op shops fairly frequently just to see what they have, because if you're looking for a particular item that you need, say you need 1 or 2 new casual t-shirts, because you are going to an op shop, they may not have something that you like in your size. If you've got a chance, it's good to just pop in frequently and have a list of things that are coming up that you need in the future. Like a few months before summer, I might know that my kids have gone up a clothing size, and so I need to start looking out for maybe a new pair of shorts or a few more t-shirts or something for them. So being a little bit organised is good, because if you don't find it the first time that you're there, you might find it the second or third time. My situation this time was a little bit different because I had to get clothes. So I went to 4 different op shops. Now the first thing about op shops is there are 2 kinds out there. There are the classic op shops where you can get tops for like $3, $4. Sometimes they'll have things even cheaper than that. Pants and shorts and dresses are all really reasonably priced. But then there is the other kind of op shop where they tend to stock more quality products, and so you won't be sifting through stuff that's kind of dodgy or old, but they do charge more, and so you might be paying $10 or $15 for a top, which is what you would pay at a cheaper clothing shop. However, what you get is generally better brands and better quality. But I have found even in these op shops, sometimes they'll have something from Target and it will be like just a normal t-shirt for like $10, and yeah, it's like I would pay about that much getting it from the actual store, maybe like $2 more or whatever, and I don't know, that bothers me. So if you do go to an op shop and you're not used to going to them and you're like, wow, this stuff is actually not cheap at all, you probably just need to find a different op shop. I frequently go to Vinnie's and the Salvos, and sometimes some Vinnies are cheap and some are expensive, and the same with the Salvos. It generally sort of depends on the person running the store. It can be a little bit more effort going to an op shop because you're sifting through all different sizes and kinds of things, but you know, they've got things laid out pretty well. And they've also got interesting things like board games and puzzles, shoes, handbags, hats. So let me show you what I got. So I got a few new tops. There's this one and another one. So I'm just showing you the kind of stuff you can get and that. So this, for example, is from Miller's, so it's not a high quality brand or anything. But then other ones are, and so you know, they're perfectly lovely. So I just wanted to show you how many things I got, and then at the end I will tell you how much I paid for all of these. And these were just my casual tops that I got, which are not hanging up because they were in the wash. So 3 just casual tops. And then I got some shorts. So these are all shorts, and that's a pair of shorts, and those 3 are skirts, and the shorts I'm wearing at the moment are also what I got. So it's fairly good quality stuff. I probably need to give this a bit of an iron, but yeah, nothing wrong with it really. A lot of the stuff you can get in op shops are basically like new. And like, that's a white pair of shorts, but there's no stains or anything on it. Sometimes you'll get stuff that still have the tags on them, so they've never even been worn. So there were a few things from my old wardrobe from last year that still fitted me. So it's not a complete wardrobe, I've still got some dresses and things. But as you can see in there, I had a mix of casual and more dressy, and then like in between, things that you can dress up or down. I didn't need new shoes because my feet didn't really get any fatter, so that was fine. And socks and underwear I do buy new. Though in the past, when I really haven't had any money, I have bought underwear from op shops. And a lot of op shops don't stock underwear, but some do. And most op shops have bras as well, if you're okay with having a secondhand bra. So in all of that, I had 19 items that I bought. So I pretty much redid my entire summer wardrobe. And how much did that cost me? $100. It was like $101.50, I think. So if you average that out per item, it's like $5 an item. I am really quite happy with that. Hopefully this has just given you a bit of an idea of the kinds of things that you can get, and to reassure you that you really can get quite nice, good quality stuff. You just have to maybe go to a few more places, and you might need to go a little bit more frequently. But I would say with the savings, it is well worth it. Also, if you have any kind of low income card from Centrelink, so whether that be an age pension or a low income healthcare card, you get discounts at Vinnie's and Salvo's, I think. So you just have to mention that you've got your card and show it to them, and they give you a certain discount. So then you're getting cheap clothes for even cheaper. At the front of the stores, they'll often say tags with a particular colour are half price, so keep a lookout for that. There are a few tops I got that were like $5 or $6 and they happen to be half price, so then I'm getting like a pretty much new top for $2.50.